Hey, good people.
What
Guess
up, world?
where we are. Look who we have. We got KB.
We're here in Lehman, Pennsylvania to purchase an RV. It's a couple's RV, guys. We're downsizing from a 30-foot down to a 19-footer. Waiting on our salesperson to come and give us a walkthrough of our new road home. KB, what you want to say to the people? Alright guys, look at her. She's getting hooked up to the truck. She's good to go, guys. She's good to go. We just did a walkthrough. You know, I'm gonna check all the P's and Q's. Alright guys, we about to go on the inside. We about to go do the money part. KB got the check with him.
Yes, he does.
So, you good, KB?
Awesome.
Alright. Y'all, paperwork is done. She's paid for in full. So that's how we roll. We pay for stuff in full. No financing, baby. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment. And feel free to share with all your friends. But we made this a business purchase, so we loaned our business the money, and the business is going to pay us back. Tax deductible. There she is. Their little wifey.
Hey.
Taking care of K Bizzle.
Yeah. And of course, he don't want nothing to drink.
You don't want nothing, KB?
Bathroom. Ain't no food.
He's a picky dog. Got my dancer over there, my fancy dancer. My wifey doing the checks. And there she is, guys. Got the sold sticker on her. We can pull the sold sticker off. Yes. Sold. Ha!
We're on a mission. We're on a mission.
Hello.
What up, young world? What's going on? So, today, we figured we'd give you a tour of our new couple's RV.
It's called a couple's trailer,
I'm going to do the exterior.
and I'm going to do the interior.
Let me give you a quick tour of the exterior of our Coachman Spirit 1943 RV. It came with a standard electric jack, standard size propane tank. It came with a standard battery, so this is not a deep cycle battery or anything. It's just a standard battery that has a solar panel connected to it. Got a fiberglass bull nose on this puppy. You got your rock shells down here. Then you got your exterior lighting here. Follow me on around here. So we did a few upgrades. First thing upgrades we started off with was combination locks on the exterior of the garage. Here you have your pass-through. We have a storage here. This holds my fishing poles, and it's the length of the whole entire vehicle. So also what you have is magnetic locks. I mean, not locks, holders. So this also came with a level system. Attach it to the side here. You look at the level, and it show you the front and back, up and down. And then you pull this out this way, and it shows you the left and right. Then once you get it level, you just hit the little button, and if you got all green lights, that means it's leveled all the way around. Here you have your freshwater intake for your freshwater tanks. You have your city water connection. You have your black tank flush. You have your TV and satellite hookups, and you also have a spray port, and then you have the 30 amp port here, electrical port. You have your stinky slinky holder. We added a cargo carrier. Again, you got another dog hookup, or you can chain your bikes up like we do. My favorite additions is combination lock and my Kango camera. You can put in a combination. You have NFC, near field communication. It also has Bluetooth, where you could be 30 to 60 feet away and lock and unlock your door. Make sure you get one of those. You don't have to worry about carrying a key. You got your hot water. Again, you got your cable hookup and your electrical hookup. We also, on our exterior, we have speakers. Then we have our awning, which is almost the distance of the trailer. I think it's 18-foot awning with LED lighting in it. Our last addition for the exterior. Voila! Bug net. Walk straight in and closes behind. Walk straight out. Get you one. We have a cell phone booster, but it's on top of the vehicle. RB.
So let's go to the interior. I've just taken off my shoes. Follow me on in. First thing I want to show is our refrigerator. We have a 10 cubic foot refrigerator. And as you can see, it holds a lot. Now we have storage over here. So it does have a lot of storage, as well as a little area down here that we put our shoes right here. And we also have storage right here. We have a standard microwave. I'm going to open it up so you can see. Just standard. We also have a 3-burner stove. We have an oven. Great counter space, storage up here. We have our plates, cups, and our little utilities. Our little George Foreman. You know you can't live without the George Foreman grill. Tops, it's like a cutting board. There you go. So even if you want to just close it or whatever, but this is a nice feature for this RV. And we have storage here. We have pans, bowls, things like that. Storage here. You know, drawers for your silverware. That drawer that has all the kitchen utensils in it. And then this is our little junk drawer. And look at the backsplash hubby did. Isn't it wonderful? Chose to get the theater seating. And as you can see, because we work from home, we had to make a workstation here. We also have storage here, and this is my storage on my side. More cabinet space over here. You do have seating for if you decide to have company or you just want to have dinner right here. We are Cap Ken. Where are we? Cap Ken. Cap Ken. We make our own clothes. We use this to do that. Same with this TV. It is not a smart TV, and it does swivel. It comes out a little bit. On each side of the bed, the great thing is that you do have 2 outlets, 2 USB ports right there. This is closet space, storage here for more clothes. So let's go to the other side. Same thing, closet space and more closet space over here. You can have a little bit of privacy, like if you do decide to have company. Right. So see? You can have a little bit of privacy. We do sublimation printing as well. So these are our pillows that we made. So this is our family. So just want to have pictures of our family while we're on the road. We have storage up under here. Watch this, guys. Voila! So this is a great feature that helps sell us on this RV. As you can see, KB is asleep, and
KB.
He will not be disturbed. Oh, poor little KB. So also with this RV came the little basket, the little clothes baskets. We have shoe storage up under here, so he's on the bottom, I'm on the top.
That's what she said.
4 drawers here. We added drawers right here. And as you can see, this is all of hubby's clothes right here.
These are all our custom t-shirts.
All of the customization. Also have more storage, guys. Right, so all of this is storage. Here's the bathroom. This is the shower. And then we also have storage in here. And then they have hooks right here. We also have storage down here for storage. And then we have, oh, and then I guess my husband needs to talk about the thing that he loves in there.
Oh yeah, this is the throne, guys. Now this throne, this is a porcelain toilet. It didn't come with that porcelain toilet. No. It came with the little plastic crap. So before we was able to get in here, I had to switch it out. So I ordered one off Amazon. She came. She's a beauty. Porcelain wood top here. Hear that? That's a real toilet right there. That's a real toilet sound. And also, you can see it in the corner right there. We added a bidet. A bidet. You cannot use a bathroom without a bidet. If you do, you're nasty. Get you a bidet, guys. This is the first RV in America with a bidet in it.
And then we have a skylight here.
A clear one, I like that.
Yes, I do love the skylight in here. And that is the exhaust. And I think that is it, guys. I hope I didn't forget anything.
Cap can, baby.
Cap can.
We're on a mission. We're on a mission. We're on a mission. We're on a mission.